The integration of drone technology into the home inspection industry in British Columbia offers a major step forward in safety, efficiency, and overall inspection quality. As homes across BC continue to feature complex rooflines, steep pitches, and materials that can be difficult or unsafe to access, drones provide a reliable way for inspectors to capture high-resolution imagery while reducing risk. This aligns with industry standards that emphasize safety-first practices and thorough documentation of building conditions. Drones equipped with stabilized cameras can identify roof deterioration, flashing issues, gutter blockages, chimney damage, and other defects that may be hard to see from the ground. In many cases, they provide clearer and more comprehensive visual data than traditional ladder-based inspections. This means we can deliver more accurate findings while reducing the chance of concealed issues. Beyond safety and visibility, drones also support consistent reporting. Their imagery can be integrated into our inspection software, helping maintain detailed records, meet client expectations, and adhere to professional guidelines. As the industry continues to evolve, the use of drones is increasingly recognized as a best practice for enhancing both the quality and integrity of home inspections throughout British Columbia. Ozcan Building Inspections is proud to lead the way in British Columbia by integrating advanced drone technology into our inspection process. In a province where homes often feature steep roofs, complex architectural designs, slippery surfaces, and hard-to-reach exterior components, our drone-assisted inspections allow us to capture high-resolution visuals safely and efficiently, without the risks associated with climbing or accessing unstable surfaces. This approach fully aligns with BC industry standards that prioritize inspector safety and thorough reporting. Our drones are equipped with 4K, zoom, stabilized high-quality cameras. The detailed imagery collected during our inspections supports more accurate assessments and gives homeowners and buyers a clear, comprehensive understanding of the property's condition. At Ozcan Building Inspections, we are committed to delivering exceptional service, enhanced safety, and industry-leading inspection quality, making us a trusted choice for homeowners, buyers, real estate professionals, and property management companies across British Columbia.